Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to write text on a car path in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already create a new layer. Again, create a new layer. Select pen tool, stroke color. Example stroke color black. Then line, solid line. Click in here. Curve. Hold alter. Okay. Then click the text. Right click. Use horizontal type tool and type. Select text color. Example I use red color and edit middle or edit middle, then type anything. Double click and resize text, change text color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.